Okay, that actually works out a lot better than I thought. Hello, Drone Racers. I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101, we're going to take a look at the Mavic 2 Fly More kit and see if it's worth it, because I'm not totally sure. I've completely fallen in love with my Mavic 2 zoom. I love the 4x zoom. I love the head tracking with the goggles. I've got a video for that coming soon. But I needed more batteries, and I couldn't get this at first. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it. I just kind of needed the batteries, but I like the charger, and well, let's see what's inside and take a look at the value. Okay, first things first, I don't know why I'm surprised, but everything came shipped in the bag. So this bag is part of the value. So what we're gonna look at is this whole kit is $379. It's pretty pricey, and I wanna compare that with buying the pieces individually. So this bag itself is $109. Like, are you freaking kidding me? $109 for this bag? I'm not sure what this pocket is for, but I kind of like that it's there, taking advantage of every bit of space. There's a pocket on each side here. And there's a nice handle that even says Mavic 2 for carrying it. There are clips, so it's a shoulder bag. I'm sure there will be a strap in here to be able to carry this over your shoulder. It is a pretty nice size. If you can fit everything in here, I don't know, that might be nice. It's a pretty nice material. It's not leather, which for the price it kind of seems like it should be. So we have a nice storage area here on the top that came with a drying agent bag. So everything here is just kind of thrown in. Let's see, what do we have here? We have a deep pocket here. We have a pocket on this side. It's not Velcro here, but it pops up pretty nicely on this side. So the batteries are stored down there in the bottom. Can you see that? There we go. So the batteries are in their storage space, which is kind of nice. It fits down in the bottom. And then this piece folds down. So the batteries that it comes with are $139 each. Yikes, these batteries are expensive. So that's $278 worth of value if you buy those separately. So we have to include that as part of the kit. I'm curious, while I have this open, this spot doesn't look very big. How well is the drone gonna fit in here? So it does fit in there, and then over the top here, you can get that zipped closed. There you go. So it is in there now. If space is a huge factor, you can use this bag with, I've got 3 batteries in here. And you know what? I can throw extra props in here, which I'm assuming is what's in here. Nope, this is the car charger. So if you're traveling and you need to be able to charge in the car, you can do it with this. This will charge your batteries on the go. This is a $79 value if you need one of these. $79 to have to buy. It's kind of pricey for a charger, but that's what that is. So then this one probably has the multi-charger. It also has the shoulder strap. So there's the shoulder strap. It actually says Mavic 2. So it's actually pretty wide. It's pretty nice. I could carry that on my shoulder. It is padded on this side, so that's not too bad. Here is the multi-charger, and this is one of the things I definitely wanted. This opens up, so what it will do is let you take your standard charger. Here, I went and got my charger out, so I've got the charger here, and it will fit on the bottom of this. So there we go, it's keyed, so this will fit nicely right there in the bottom. It's lit up. Then I take out my 2 batteries here that this came with. So now the batteries will fit in just like that. So there it turned green, it's telling me it's charging, shows me which battery it's charging. So what it will do is charge one battery until it's fully charged, and then it will charge the next one. I'm gonna call this a sequential charger. It's not a parallel charger. It doesn't charge them all at the same time. It charges one at a time, but it will charge that until it's full, and then it will move on to the next one. I really like having this available. It also came with this, which is a USB adapter. So this will fit on the battery. There we go, it goes that way. So you pop that on, so then it gives you 2 USB ports that you can use to connect and charge your radios. If you're out in the middle of nowhere and your radio starts to get low, but you have a whole bunch of batteries, you can pop this on one of your batteries and charge up your remote too. I didn't realize it came with that, but that's actually pretty handy. I do like it's really easy to get the batteries on and off of here. So this charging hub is $69, and I think that's one of the things that's well worth having. It's really nice to have one of these to be able to charge all your batteries before you go. So also in the bag, I thought I was missing them, but here they are. Props. So we have extra props. It comes with 2 extra sets of props. These are $12 each, so there's a $24 value. Putting that in there is really nice, so we can have room. There is just enough room in this bag for everything. So let's see, if I put my battery, say I got them charged. So I've got my batteries back in. If I pop this down, see, I can fit the car charger in there, so that's okay, I guess. There is room Yep, plenty of room in there for the regular charger. So if I'm going and I'm traveling, I can't take the sequential charger with me. There's plenty of room in there because this top fits up here. The top is tall. I can fit the sequential charger in there. So I now have both the chargers and the sequential charger, and I can throw the USB part in there. And my Mavic's in there, and I have 2 extra set of props. And I still have space up here to store some more of something. And then I've still got the external pockets in order to store more stuff. Okay, that actually works out a lot better than I thought. So here's why I bought it. This is all $379, but we have $139, $139, $69, and $24. You add that up and it's $371. So the way I look at it is I'm gonna buy this anyway. For $8, I get a car charger, which I may or may not use, and a bag that I didn't think was going to be any good, but I actually kind of like. It fits everything a whole lot better than I expected. I have a bigger bag on its way that I'll be reviewing soon, but you know what? The fact that I'm going on vacation soon, if I can throw everything in this bag and it doesn't really get noticed in our car full of stuff, that might be really handy. Except I just realized I didn't have the remote. Okay, so I went and got the remote, and I think it will fit just fine in the one side here. So if that's down, yeah, the remote will fit on this side, and that's one of the nice things about the Mavic 2, the sticks come off. That'll fit in that side. I won't be able to take one of the chargers, but it'll still fit in here and work just fine. And especially since this, as far as I'm concerned, is $8 and this is free, I think it's kind of nice. I can definitely see using this. I think the Fly More kit is well worth the price for everything that you get with it. Now I think DJI is insane if they think this is worth $109, but for free, hey, I'll take it. The question will be is if I use this instead of the other bag that will actually fit everything a little more cleanly, but be a little bigger. But there you go. If you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below and let me know if you think this is worth it, or are you better off just buying a couple of batteries? And is DJI insane for their battery price? $139? Really? This is the current listed price. They were actually cheaper when it first came out, and prices have gone up, and hopefully they don't go up again. But until next time, remember, yeah, it's a big price, but the Mavic 2 Zoom is just awesome.